Okay, it's that time of year again when many of us will start or maybe restart our fitness journeys. And whether you're trying to lose some fat, build some muscle, improve your performance, or some combination of those things, the most important factor in you achieving your goal is to make sure you aren't restarting your fitness journey again this time next year. And this much is certain. You're going to be bombarded by fitness influencers promising fast, short term transformations, everything you want and quick. And when this messaging meets the renewed motivation and excitement that comes with making new fitness goals, the pull can feel almost magnetic. And the more ambitious and motivated you are, the harder those promises can pull you in. Now, more fitness routines have been derailed by unsustainable training than just about anything else. And that's the irony. A lot of these programs that are supposed to get you to your goals super quick can sometimes make it almost certain that you never get there at all. People rarely quit training because they lose interest. They quit because they can't continue with what they're currently doing, and they're under the impression that something unsustainable is required of them to get what they want. And I guess that can be true, depending on what you want to get out of your training. But if you just want to feel good, radiate health, be physically capable, and look great with your shirt off, then it's not true at all. Those goals require a sustainable lifestyle. They cannot be attained by something unsustainable. You cannot make up for sustainability with pure effort and sheer motivation. That's a losing battle with a 100% casualty rate. It never works by definition. Now, since we all have different bodies and different life circumstances, sustainable training can take very different forms from person to person. And what you find sustainable will change as time goes on. As your body changes with age and as your lifestyle changes with age, what is sustainable for you will change as well. So keep this in mind forever, but particularly now, as you might find yourself tempted into risking your long-term sustainable results for a small probability of achieving them a little bit faster. So when you get back to training or start it for the first time, the best thing you can do for your fitness journey is to focus on sustainability. Train so that when this time rolls around next year, and it inevitably will, you will have a solid year of consistent training under your belt. Everything else is second to that. That might require that your training take on a different form than what you're seeing advertised to you, but it's definitely possible to do. And if you do it, it will carry you further along your health and fitness journey than any get ripped quick scheme will. So I hope that makes sense. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.